Greetings, Earthlings, and welcome back. Apologize for no video yesterday and on Mother's Day. Couldn't keep up. So we're here now. I'm gonna do my quick everyday makeup. This is something that takes me like 5 minutes. I'm in a bit of a funk today. I kind of don't even want to do my makeup, but I know that it'll lift my spirits a bit. Just one of those days. So I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild sponge. Also, my hair got a bit darker. I don't know if you watched my last video, the color oops, where I removed my box hair dye and I was left with this like dark blonde, light brown. It's not as light as it was, which is really weird and so bizarre to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. I need a new sponge. I've had this one forever and it has like eyelash glue and mascara. I've washed it, but it's like stained. This is one of my all-time favorite drugstore foundations. It's so good. So I go back and forth between the L'Oreal Lumi and the NYX Bear With Me. Next, I'm going to go in with some bronzer. This is, oh my gosh, this is in the shade Samoa. All right, I'm gonna go right into blush. This is the ColourPop Sticks blush in the shade Under Pressure. And I just take it right onto my face right here. And I'm gonna take it over my cheek and nose. I'm also gonna dab it up here and a little down there. Next, I'm going to use a little bit of powder. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked, the Fix. Take a brush. I'm going to put some powder down here. A little up here. Under my eyes. And I'm not rubbing, I'm like pressing. Next, I'm going to take the Too Faced Glover Puppy Love highlighter. I'm just going to pick it up with my finger and then slide it down my nose. And hit up here. And I'm quickly going to hit the inner corners of my eyes with the highlight. Next, I'm going to take this Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream. I love this formula. C210. And I don't put a lot on. I literally just dab some on the bottom lip and then I'll use my finger to rub it in. So I'm going to take the Benefit Give Me Brow. And this is in the shade 5. So days like this, when I don't want to spend more than 5 minutes, I'll just use brow gel, but I'll make sure that it's like tinted just to define my brows a bit. The very last thing I do is mascara. This is the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. I actually just bought another one. This is like my 4th mascara. I love this stuff so much. It is so good. I don't know how good it's gonna do because I'm almost out, which is why I bought another one. But let's see. Look at that. Ooh. I'm gonna hit the bottom lashes really lightly. And that is my quick makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. It shows me that you care, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.